What is up, everybody? It's your boy Brando here with Brando Reviews, and I know it's been a little while, but we're getting back into some videos here. And today we're going to be checking out the iCharge device charger right here. It's a magnetic charger where you keep the end plugged into your device, and it magnetically connects to save time, and it's cooler. So let's go ahead and open her up here, and then we'll talk about some of the specs of it, some of the features, stuff like that. So here we go. And here's the cable right here, as you can see. You can see it has three different ends there. You have the micro USB, you have the USB-C, and you have the iPhone adapter, so it can charge any of those devices. You can leave them plugged into any of those devices too. If you do that, you're not going to have to worry about switching them out each time. Just keep them in each of the devices. So on the website right here, it's a 3-in-1 magnetic charging cable. It's $17.95 on their website. I do believe it might be on Amazon too. I'm not sure though. And the color comes in black, and it's a 2-meter length, so it's rather long, so that's good. We'll talk about some more of the features as we get closer into it here, but let's go ahead and open the box right here. You can see you have the cable right here and the adapters, and that's all you get in the package. So what we're going to do now is we're going to move closer to this right here so that you guys can actually see it, and we'll actually test it out. Alright guys, so we're just going to take a closer look here at the cable. As you can see right here, this is the magnetic end right here. This is what will connect to the adapter end that you'll keep in your phone. We'll try to get a little closer zoom right there so you can see it. And you can see how it has a swivel head right here so that it'll turn with your device and not rip. So let's say if you're sitting on your bed and you rest your phone on top of you, it won't like smash the cable. Better for longevity of the cable with this swivel head right here. And the actual cord itself is paracord inspired, nylon inspired too, so it's very strong. It's anti-fray, and it stops your device from getting clogged in your ports, because obviously this other end right here will stay in your device. Therefore, nothing can get into your device's charging port and, you know, block it up with dust or debris or anything. So we're going to zoom out a little bit here. As I said before, this is a 2-meter long cable right here, and it is $18 on Amazon. I'll go ahead and mention some of the features that it says here. It says it's ultra compatible. Obviously, it has the 3 different ends here. You have your USB-C, your micro USB, and your iPhone. So we'll go ahead and take a closer look at these here. You can see they come in a nice little rubber sleeve here to keep you from losing them. The first one you pull out right here is the USB-C. As you can see, this is the USB-C charging adapter. You'd plug this into your USB-C device and keep it plugged in. And obviously this is how it functions. Magnetically, just like so. Very strong magnet too, it just pulls towards it, as you can see. So that's the USB-C end right there. We'll go ahead and go to the next one here. In the middle here, as you can see, here's the middle one. As you can see here, this is your iPhone adapter. It's a little hard to get it in focus there, but there it is, you can see it. This will just stay inside of your iPhone, and we'll go ahead and show you this a little bit better here if I can. Here's the iPhone adapter. Here is an iPhone right here. And as you can see, you just plug it into the port, just like so. You're just gonna line it up, just like so, and you're gonna press it in place. And then it's ready and in your phone right there. So you're just gonna grab your connector cable here, and you can see how it just magnetically adjusts and swivels with your device. You can see it's even strong enough to hold the phone up from the device, just like so. So it's a very strong magnet, honestly. You know? So let's go ahead and show you the last adapter right here in the package. I know I'm getting a little messy here. It's a little hard to film this, honestly, with such small pieces here. And the last adapter you get in your box right here is just your classic micro USB right here. Pretty standard, lots of devices use this. So you get all 3 of these with your package here. And I'm sure you can buy additional ones of these if you just want to keep these plugged into all your devices and just have the one cable laying around. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to test it out, plug it into a portable charger, and see if it works. And as you can see, when you plug that in and turn it on, this lights up right here. Try to get a better zoom right there so you can see it. You can see there's indicator LEDs on both sides right here. If we can get the focus a little better. You can see there's an indicator light here and on this side as well as on the tip right there where it actually goes into your device, just like so. And those are very nice to have. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to plug in our phone. And you can see the LED indicator stays lit up right there too. You can see it on both sides, and it swivels both directions and 360 degrees all around. So the swivel function is very nice and has many different uses, as they say on the website right there. So its ability to rotate 180 degrees in this direction and 360 degrees in this direction is supposedly very good for gaming abilities, so it doesn't snag or anything when you're playing. So you have full flexibility here. Obviously many other uses, but the website indicates its use for gaming right there. And this cable, although it is magnetic, it can transfer data, and it does offer fast charging capabilities, so it's a very good quality cable inside of it there, inside of the nylon braiding right here. So as we can see, it is charging up here. Just to confirm at the top, let me unplug it. Stops charging, plug it back in, starts charging. So all of that works good. We're going to do it one more time here so you can see it. Turns off, back on, and we're charging. So very easy. And if you just have it set on the bed here, you know, this is also good for people that might have problems with fine motor skills and stuff. So if you just have this nearby, you can just sort of like let it go to it itself. So just like that, you know. All right, guys, so there you guys go. That was a quick look at the iCharge Pro cable right here. As you can see, it's a very versatile cable. It has 360-degree movement at the tip, 180 degrees in both directions if you turn. And it has the 3 different adapters there, being the micro USB, the USB-C, and the iPhone adapter. And I like how the LEDs light up to help you find it and to let you know it's working and powered too on the side right there. Obviously, you won't see the blue on the tip there when it's plugged into your device, but you'll see it on the side there. I think that's very neat. And I like how it's a nylon paracord style cable. This is $17.95 on Amazon, and it seems to work very good. We have it plugged into the car right now down there. And I've been using these on my devices for a little while now. I think they're very convenient. You do have to be careful though that you don't lose any of these adapters, because if you lose them, you're probably not ever going to find them again. But I think you can buy spares, and you know, these are buy one get one half off these cables right now on the iCharge Pro cable website. So you can see max current 2.4 amps, so it does do the fast charging like I said before, and it does offer data transfer too, so you can transfer data with this. So if you guys enjoyed this video, you can subscribe down below. If you guys want to purchase this, there will be a link down below too. If you have any questions or comments about this product or about what I think of it, because I have been using this for many months now, let me know and I'll try to get back to you. But overall, it's been working good. The magnet stays strong throughout all these months so far. It hasn't lost any strength, and the charging capability has been great. And I like how it swivels up so you can set it on your chest, like if you're in bed. It won't like rip the cable apart like the old style ones. So there you guys go. Have a good one.